Hello boys and girls, good morning. So today is rainy and I don't know if you can tell, but I'm not in Førde or Sunnfjord, definitely not. I am on my way east in Norway and I've got some exciting news. Oh, I'm going to trade my bike in. Stick around, stay tuned, and you'll find out which bike it is. Right now I am on my way to Fagernes. I stayed the night at Beitostølen. My sister-in-law was kind enough to lend me a room for the night. I'm gonna keep it short, just gonna film a few places before I get to my destination of the day. And after I pick up my new bike, I'm headed west again, 3 or 4 hours west, to join some about 40 other guys and girls on a event called Fjellkjør. Fjellkjør 2019, here I come. Way! It's gonna be awesome, and I'm gonna be riding my new bike, so kind of a little bit nervous about that, but mostly excited. So stay tuned, see you. Okay, so I'm at Fagernes. I've been driving for about 30 minutes, I think. Still raining, but I can see some I guess hope for better weather over there. We'll see how it goes. Or maybe it's not not going to turn better. I don't know. We'll see. So now you can see my new bike. Ta-da! It's a Honda Africa Twin Adventure Sports. This one is a manual gearbox. That's what I wanted. I've heard lots of great things about the DCT version, but I'm old-fashioned. So I've been riding for about an hour and a half and I'm loving it. This is an amazing bike. So I got the one with suitcases, one on each side. It's dirty. And I also got a GPS, the Garmin 595. So tell me what you think. I'm loving it. Sound of this machine is amazing. This bike is so much better than what I hoped for. It is amazing. So I've sold my 250. I traded it in for this one, and my Hornet, my 900 CB900 Hornet, is sold also. So they are financing the purchase of this one. So from now on, I think at least for a while, I think I'm gonna try to only have one bike. So this is a bike for all purposes. So, and I'm very happy about it. It's just amazing. I had to stop and take off my rain suit and the winter lining of my jacket because suddenly it's getting warm. We now have 22 degrees Celsius. I started driving at 7 a.m. this morning and it was very cold and very wet. So nice to have some good weather. So this is the bike. Let me know what you think. I'm loving it. Feel like a child with a new toy. That's what this is. This is a toy for big boys. So stay tuned. I will come back. Bye for now.